Hi, Joe. I just want to be able to talk with you about your paper real quick and get a feel for some of the fixes you can make, easy fixes that'll really help to polish this up. First thing, the heading and title that you have right here, go ahead and get rid of this. We're going to format a title page today that's going to take care of all that information so it's not necessary. Second, as you come down through here, you've got a pretty easy opening paragraph to read, really grabs the attention. See if it's something we all need, but many people do not get enough of it. Great, so now there's a disjunction here. Why is this happening? Well, if we jump down the page here a little bit, you attribute at least some of this to. There are possible ways to help limit the amount of blue light they're actually exposed to, but their success is a matter of debate. The blue light from these devices can be seen as a problem now, and it might not get better for a fair amount of time as there is no proven solutions. I like where your head's at with this. You're being rigorous in your language, which is to say that you are admitting there's no easy fix. These are the best things that we have right now, so we're going to have to work with this. This question of melatonin, if you would, can you explain this to me a little bit more so I get a better feel for it? How exactly is melatonin used to help people to sleep better if they're off their sleep cycle? I feel like a little bit of explanation right there could go a long way toward clearing some stuff up at the end of your paper. Coming on down through here then, the next several paragraphs read very easily. You explain to me what daylight is, blue light is, and how these different lights affect the body, and how staying out in the light for too long or being exposed to the blue light for too long can have significant issues, and then possible solutions that technology companies are beginning to offer up. All of this, I think, is wonderful. The only thing that I'm not really sure about at this point is how this connects back around to the melatonin. You've talked with me about how melatonin can be used to help people sleep better. Well, is it possible for me to just stare at my phone all day and then get melatonin shots in the evening? Or does melatonin need to build up in my brain over time? What exactly is the relationship here? I think you've done a nice job of framing this out, but I'd like you to be able to tie these different issues to that. So structurally, that's the one thing I'm really looking at here. In addition to that, I would like you to have some more quotes here. At the end of the previous paragraph, you have plenty of quotes, because I'm looking through this long paragraph right here, and then this long paragraph right here. You have no quotes to support what you're saying. So that's more of a specific, here's how you need to defend yourself, the evidence of it all. If you can address those two issues structurally and then the evidence, I think you're going to be in pretty good shape. All right, listen to this a couple times, look back over your paper, and we'll talk during class.